Hello, seventh graders. In our tree unit, I'm going to have you do something today in the workshop side of things, and our distant learners. Um, that we in next year's science standards, one of the things that they have is we're moving towards not giving students all the answers, but giving them an inquiry type question, and let them go out and research. So, Mr. Opili and I were talking, and he shared an idea with me, and I liked it, and so I'm gonna use it today with you in uh, your seventh grade life science workshop when you'll be with Miss Coda or Mr. Opilia. Um, so what happens here is the question is trees turn color in the fall. Why and how? I'm going to have you go out and find answers to these questions with details. You're then going to create a little slideshow with at least 7 slides. One of them is going to be a title slide, and there will be 6 informational slides, and an optional fun slide if you want. This is the minimum that you should do. It says on here due Thursday. You're going to be working on this Wednesday and Thursday. So for me, for Stark Science classes, this will be due on Monday and Tuesday of next week. We will present these to the class. You'll come up, you'll plug in, you'll go through your slides. Students may have questions for you, or I may have questions for you about your slides. But anyways, that's your job for today. Trees turn color in the fall, why and how, and to research and put together a Google slide or a keynote that you're going to share with the class. Have fun, learn lots. Talk to you soon.